Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Paychex tax summaries before filing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Paychex website. Log into your Paychex account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Reports section in the main menu. Click on Reports to access the reporting options. Next, locate the option for Tax Summaries or Tax Reports. Select the Tax Summaries option to view your tax information. Review the list of available tax summaries for the relevant period. Choose the tax summary you wish to back up. Look for the Download option, often indicated by a download icon or button. Click the Download button to initiate the download process. Select the file format you prefer, such as PDF or Excel. Confirm your selection and the file will begin downloading to your device. Once the file has downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. It's advisable to rename the file for easy identification. Store the file in a secure location on your computer or an external drive. Ensure the backup copies are accessible for review prior to filing. Regularly check and organize your backup files for future reference. Your Paychex tax summaries are now safely backed up and ready for filing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.